Hello, I'm in a 2007 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should see your battery with your positive and your negative. And then you can also double check on the battery too. There's a negative symbol and then a positive symbol here. But next I'd double check for any corrosion built up on these terminals, which you could clean off with a good brush or rag. And after that I would check that these are tight. So if these are loose, tighten these up. Then from there, with your jump box or your jumper cables, take your metal clamps and attach directly to the metal here with the most metal contact as you can. Same with the negative, your negative clamps to the negative terminal. And if you're using the jumper cables leading to another car, make sure that your positives lead to the positive on the other battery and your negative leads to the negative on the other battery, because you don't want to crisscross. So even a few seconds of that by mistake can sometimes damage your electronic systems, computers, fuses, things like that. But once you've got these connected, after a few minutes with a good metal connection and the other vehicle running, hopefully that's giving you enough juice to get this started. If you've been trying that for quite a while and there's no success, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do just by removing this little cross brace, loosening these terminals to lift them off. And then, any other connections is needed, but lift this old battery out, stick your new battery in, then just retighten everything up and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.